Hey Papa Stars, this is a demonstration of how to do your second activity for STEM Night. First thing you need to do is log into your ClassSync account. In the top box, you're going to search for the Epic app. You should be able to log directly into your account. The next thing you need to do is type the name of the book at the bottom of your direction page right into the search bar. Okay. So that's NASA mathematician Catherine Jones. Search. There should be a picture of the young lady that comes up, and that's the only book. If you type the name in exactly as you said, it'll bring the book right up. Open the book and read it. Now, the great thing is this book will be read to you. All you have to do is click on the green and white play button at the bottom. So it's going to go line by line, and it bolds the words to let you know where they're exactly reading. All right. After you have read the entire book, there's 36 pages. We want you to complete your graphic organizer. On the graphic organizer, you're going to write down at least 3 interesting facts that you learned about Catherine Jones. You may write as many as you choose, but once you have finished your graphic organizer, you are going to return it back to the school, to myself, and I will reward you with Class Dojo points. I hope you enjoy the book, and see you soon.